In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up Google storage and fix those annoying Gmail storage full issues. We'll be breaking down the steps so they're easy to understand and follow. Whether you're a tech whiz or a novice, by the end of this guide, you'll have all the tools you need to ensure your Google storage is optimally managed. Let's begin by understanding the problem. Often, our Gmail account's storage becomes full because it shares space with Google Drive and Google Photos. When this shared storage reaches its limit, it can stop you from sending or receiving emails, which is frustrating to say the least. So, the question is, how can we free up this space effectively? First, it's essential to figure out what's taking up most of your space. Navigate to Google Drive and click on the Storage tab on the left-hand side. Here you will see a breakdown of your storage usage. Check which files or folders are the biggest culprits. Usually, they will be large files you've perhaps forgotten about. You can sort these files by size to make it easier to identify the ones you no longer need. Once you've identified unnecessary files, it's time to delete them. But before we proceed, remember that simply deleting them doesn't immediately free up space. You need to go to the trash and empty it. This is a crucial step as files in the trash still count against your storage quota until permanently deleted. Now, let's move on to Gmail. Head to your Gmail account. In the search bar, you can type "has attachment larger 10M" to filter and find emails with large attachments. These large attachments often consume a vast portion of your storage. Review these emails and decide which attachments you can either download and save elsewhere or permanently remove. Moving along, photos can also be a sneaky space hogger. Open Google Photos and check for any unnecessary photos or videos. Google offers a storage management tool that helps in identifying suggestions for freeing up space. Utilize this tool as it offers recommendations tailored to help you efficiently save storage. Another tip for managing storage is to take advantage of Google Keep Notes or Google Docs for text-heavy storage, as these don't count towards your storage limits unless they contain large images or heavy formatting. Finally, once you have completed these steps, you can review your storage summary again to see the changes. If you still find yourself needing more space, consider upgrading your Google One plan to gain additional storage. However, the steps we've covered should give you a significant amount of free space. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken control of your storage situation, ensuring your Gmail stays clutter-free and your Google Drive is tidy. Thanks for joining in, and remember to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.